bunch of storage right there. Look at all that SSDs.
Oh my god. I don't know how the joystick works. There we go. And then we cut all of that.
Take whatever time you're divided by 6.
That's right. Oh, this is an RTX. I'd say 3070 or 3080.
I don't fucking know how to use this gimbal.
Yo, that's cooler, I guess, right here.
Cooler mist. I got Dark Rock. Where's the Dark Rock at?
Dark Rock? I'm not sure if they carry the Dark Rock Pro here. Or even just the Dark Rock. Just AIOs, Cooler Master. Here's some GPU stuff.
There is some GPU stuff. Bro, I don't know how to fucking turn this bitch.
Oh, there it is.
I wasn't expecting the joystick to be as important as it is.
Yeah.
But basically, it's like
I think
it's gonna hold what you pointed at until you joystick it to speed.
Oh, this is where they carry all the GPUs.
All of them.
Then you got the Quadros over here.
What are quadros?
Quadros are like workstation GPUs.
Oh. So like, what do they do differently?
So they have, I'd assume they have more RAM, so you can have like bigger scenes if you're like making a movie or something.
Yeah.
Have all that stuff stored, like scenarios.
A $3,000 graphics card. Now what's this? Those are
also Quadros, I think.
what's cheap? Do they have my CPU?
Right there.
Look at that.
They got a bunch of last gen as well. Oh, Intel NUC. Oh, and they got Threadripper.
Yo. Damn. Alright, so who's using Threadripper?
Threadripper also for workstation if you're doing lots of like PC virtual machines. It's basically a dumbed down server processor for enthusiasts.
They did not have all this storage facility when I was here.
Yeah. Oh, there's some desktop or laptop RAM, and then you get to the real RAM over here.
You think I should just like upload this unedited? Be like, Big J takes you on a tour of Micro Center while I try to figure out how gimbals work.
I think that'd be pretty cool. Now we got the RGB RAM.
Here's the trigger test on the gimbal. That's dope. So that would let you can go up and down and keep the same, like.
Wait, on sale, $900 RAM. This is it's 5100 megahertz.
Damn, who's using that?
Super gamers.
What's a super gamer?
Who the fuck knows?
Who's looking at Arduinos?
Raspberry Pis.
Do they have the? Yeah, they do.
Yo, they got a Raspberry Pi T-shirt. Yeah, Knack one of these. Flight rudder pedal sphere like flight simulations up there.
Yo.
Probably cost like
What is
$600.
What is this?
Kids' toys. Let's go. The off-brand Xbox. Oh,
That is Xbox.
Pro wired controller. Works with the new Xbox. They can't even afford to say Xbox One X. Oh no, that was less than the Xbox Series X.
Where's their camera stuff?
Camera stuff is probably like in between
thing I like about this is other than
Wires, headphones. What the light bulb is that?
It's tricky to get it to go. It's like inverted y-axis.
Yeah.
So down. Never mind. Up is up. That's gonna take me a long time to get used to.
This was the headset I was gonna get with my PC. That Corsair thing.
Yeah.
It's wired.
Monitors.
Oh yeah, monitors
Yo.
over here.
Look at how wide that monitor is.
Yeah.
Look at that Asus thing over there. Here, we'll practice the zoom.
Man, a 4K 24-inch monitor for $700.
It's so chunky.
It's because it got that Thunderbolt 3 power delivery for like your Mac.
That do be looking nice. I need to get off of 1080p. All right, it used to be $700. Oh, it is still
Yeah, it is.
$700. Look at that. Look how close you can get before you start to see the pixels. Okay, I want to go do 2080 to 1440 4K comparison.
It's a regular 1440p monitor, 170 hertz. It's 1 millisecond and IPS.
I don't remember what I bought, if it was IPS or
I think it was IPS or VA.
I feel like it was VA. These laptops are kind of cool.
This is like beast. Samsung. Basically VR setup monitor.
How do you even use that as a computer? This is in the middle.
And
you
then
can
it's
turn.
got black bars on the side.
This is the gimbal test. You go from 1. What degree is this?
Like 170.
That's insane, bro. And it's only $1,400.
Mhm.
So like, you know,
Basically
can pick that up right now.
your whole gaming rig.
Yes.
Bro, they got the 3000 series cards inside all these computers. Come on. A 3070 inside this piece of crap computer.
That's a nice build. What is this?
Oh, I think they still have the monitors over here with the wireless charging.
Monitors with wireless charging?
Yeah. And it's like a wireless charging pad on the bottom.
Oh. Bro, look at how crunchy this looks.
It's probably like a 1080p monitor.
They went
It
in their
is
settings though, and they like,
sharpened it.
yeah, they sharpened to the max.
Oh, there it is. I got my phone right here.
Oh yeah.
Got the phone. Let me turn it off real quick. It's at 23%.
one gives you good audio quality,
Boom! Look at that.
pretty decent price, pretty affordable price for condenser mics.
$3 months.